Hey Plastic Model Builders, it's me, Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. This here is the Tamiya 1/48 scale M4 Sherman. Not an EZ8, it's an early production kit. It's from 2004. This is going to be a wonderful box break so you can see what's inside of this wonderful kit. Starting off, opening it up. Of course, we got the box. Has die-cast parts inside of it. Got our bag of parts. Tank turrets. Got this right here. You got our treads, which are not rubber. They are hard plastic. Flexible because they are long. Of course, you got your top chassis, which is right here. You got your plastic polyurethane caps that are in there. And you got this right here. The chassis solid, die cast. Not sure what it's made out of, but it provides real plastic weight with extra impact to small size scale models. It says so on the box. And then have your decals right here. Of course, our instruction booklet tells us about this wonderful Sherman model, early production tank. Fold out little booklet. Got our instructions right here, a couple of colors. I'm not sure which color I want to do this tank in. It gives you a couple of options right here, which are A, B, and C. There we go. So that's that. I mean, 2004. Now we know when that was made. See that wonderful packaging with that. As we can see, these are all molded in wonderful green color, so I assume you don't have to paint it. Give people good views of things they want to see. So we can see those. So these are exactly the same, but you know, I guess that's one for each side. Right here, got your top turret. The parts on their sprues, the gates, are not designed like newer kits that you will see today, where you can kind of clip away at them and they won't be in a known spot where it requires sanding. So that is one thing to look out for. As I said, this is a 2004 kit. It is molded in green. If you don't want to paint it, you won't have to, but that is your choice. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya.